sagutin o hindi. Kasi yung pagkakaalis mo, nagulat kami natin noong 2010.
Okay.
Was it because of a case you filed na against somebody sa network?
Yeah. It was because of that, yeah.
It was the sexual molestation.
Yeah, harassment.
Hindi pa lumabot sa ano.
Yeah.
Pero, ang nangyari, they didn't take your side.
Parang ganun na ngayon lumalabas. Yeah.
So, may samahan daw.
Nung una, yeah, syempre di ko maiiwasang kumbaga, I was a homegrown talent, but kumbaga, I had to move on. Kumbaga, wala akong choice. Kumbaga, I needed to survive at that time. So, wala akong time for grudges or grievances.
Kaya bakit ikaw na naagabyado? Bakit hindi ikaw ang napanikan?
I don't know, maybe they don't want to meddle into the issue anymore. Parang gano'n.
And so you just resigned?
They let me go. They let me go. So,
Pero, did you burn bridges?
no. Sa part ko wala. But maybe for them.
At saka kasi parang wala na naman din yung mga cast of characters. Di ba? Di ba? Tama ba ako? Wala na yung cast of characters.
Hindi. Some of them are still.
4 years pa lang into my contract with GMA, we decided to leave GMA Artists Center. We felt I was being politicized because of a very sensitive and confidential issue that we brought up with the CEO back then. It was a case of sexual harassment, but I would stop there. I just want the story to be complete. We were praying that after rescinding my contract with GMA Artists Center, that I would be absorbed by the network itself, like what they did to some of their major stars. We were wrong. Pinakawalan ako ng GMA. Suddenly, wala akong network. Suddenly, I'm homeless. But please make no mistake na ito po ay bitter pa rin ako sa GMA. No. I'm so grateful to GMA. Hindi po dahil sa GMA, wala akong Gerald Santos. This is the perfect time din po to sing sorry doon sa mga executives po na nadami po at that time. And hindi po namin ito sinasadya. We were reckless at that time. So, we're really hoping na I could work again with GMA. Again, my sincerest apologies po sa inyo po lahat. This was the darkest, the hardest, and the loneliest stage of my career. In a wink of an eye, nawala po lahat sa akin. Work, attention, support, and yes, pera. Thank you to Sir Manny V. Pangilinan for giving me a temporary home via TV5. Looking back, dito nabuo at nag-flourish yung indie spirit namin. Laban lang sa gitna ng lahat ng mga bagyo.